First of all, take a look at the payment proof, so that you can be sure that this site is legit. Recently, I made a $4 withdrawal through PayPal, and this $4 has already been received in my PayPal account. I have also made 2 more withdrawals through Dogecoin, and those have also been received in my wallet. This site is available worldwide, and people from any country can join and earn part-time. As you can see here, I have withdrawn through PayPal 2 times consecutively. All this amount I earned by playing games, downloading apps, and completing surveys. This site also pays you for watching videos. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and based on my personal experience. Results may vary depending on your effort, location, and eligibility. Freecash is a legit platform, but it is not a guaranteed income source. Always check the terms of each offer and use the platform responsibly. The name of the app is Freecash. I have given its sign-up link in the video description. Freecash is a legit GPT app and website that pays you to complete tasks like playing games, testing products, answering surveys, watching ads and videos, downloading apps, completing free trials, and doing simple tasks. On Freecash, the easiest way to earn extra money is through games. Here you get user-friendly and engaging games that are easy even for beginners and provide step-by-step rewards. The games you are seeing on the screen are currently trending on Freecash. According to my personal experience, the games that have higher rewards are a bit tougher, and while playing those games, you may need to purchase some items. Before downloading any game, it is clearly shown how much you can earn from it. The game and its reward amount may vary depending on the country. Now I have come to my dashboard, and I currently have some games here. The first game is Travel Stories. Its popularity score is also quite good. By clicking on details, I check the terms and conditions of the game. This game is for new users, who have never signed up for this game before. In this game, you have to complete levels within a limited time. As you can see on the screen, level 9 must be completed within 7 days, level 12 within 15 days, and level 32 within 30 days. Along with this, you may also need to purchase some items in the game. As you keep completing levels, you will keep receiving rewards according to the level. The second game is Jelly Cube Run. First, let's click on details and check its terms and conditions. This game is for new users, who have never installed this game on their device before. The good thing is that, you don't need to make any purchase in this game. As you can see on the screen, as soon as you reach rank Wooden, you will get 2 cents, and when you reach rank Steel, you will get 22 cents. There is no timeline in this game. You can increase your rank at your own pace and earn rewards. Before playing any game, make sure to read the terms and conditions. I do not recommend investing or making purchases in any game. On Freecash, depending on your country, you will find many games that are completely free and offer good rewards. You can also earn money on Freecash by completing surveys. After getting disqualified from 4 to 5 surveys, I finally completed a survey from Prime Surveys, which had a reward of 95 cents. Before that, I completed a survey from CPX Research, which had a reward of $1.43. So far, I have completed around 15 surveys on this site. From my personal experience, Freecash also pays a good amount for surveys. Freecash provides easy surveys that beginners can complete easily. But honestly, not every survey is suitable for every person. The availability, duration, reward, and eligibility of surveys may vary depending on the survey provider, user profile, and country or region. Another extra way to earn on Freecash is through offer partners. Top offer walls from worldwide are available here. I click on Tapjoy. Tapjoy is a game-based offer wall. Here you will find games from different categories. If you are a pro player in any game, you can play it and earn rewards. Try all the offer walls and use the one that feels best or easiest for you, because not every offer wall is suitable for every person. I have been using Freecash for 2 years. According to my personal experience, I have had better experiences with Tapjoy, Torox, Monlix, Lootably, and BitLabs. Monlix is an offer wall, where you can earn small rewards by watching videos. As you can see on the screen, there are many videos with a reward of 45 coins. Watching videos is easy, but the earnings are quite low. Now let's talk about the sign-up process of Freecash. I have provided the sign-up link in the video description. As soon as you click on that link, you will be taken to the sign-up page. On Freecash, you can create your account using email ID, Google, Facebook, or Apple. This site or app is available on both Android and Apple devices. I will show you how to create an account live using an email ID. I enter my email and password here and click on Start Earning Now. Then you will receive an email like this. Simply click on Verify your email. Now your account has been successfully created. You sign up for Freecash. The site sorts you into light mode or advanced mode based on your region. Being assigned to light mode limits earning opportunities to Freecash exclusive offerings. Advanced mode offers more earning opportunities, including tutorial rewards, bonus codes, and daily bonus ladders. It also increases the opportunities you qualify for and provides an affiliate system to earn coins passively. You can enter advanced mode after you reach level 20 in Freecash. Each level requires you to earn 1,000 coins, which is equal to $1. Freecash offers more than 100 cash-out methods. These cash-out methods may vary depending on the country. PayPal, Visa, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Amazon, Google Pay, and Venmo are some methods that are available in almost every country. On PayPal, the minimum withdrawal is $5 and the maximum is $200. Withdrawals through PayPal are received instantly, but there is a 5% withdrawal fee. If you withdraw through Amazon, there is no withdrawal fee. Bank transfers have a 5% fee and take 3 to 5 days to process. For cryptocurrency withdrawals, only the network fee is charged, and the minimum withdrawal is 64 cents. If you are withdrawing for the first time, your minimum withdrawal will be $20, and your level must be at least 20. Overall, Freecash is a well-known and beginner-friendly platform to earn some extra money online through tasks like games, surveys, and app downloads. It can be a good option for side income, if you stay consistent and choose offers carefully. However, earnings may vary for each user, so it's best to use it as an additional income source, not a primary one.